Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Neffy. Thank you so much for coming back and viewing this video. If you are new, definitely welcome. Please stick around so you guys can see my other videos and get to know me more. And please be sure to like this video, comment, share, subscribe so you guys can become part of the family. If you're already subscribed, please make sure that you're still subscribed, and also please click the notification bell so that way you guys are in the know of when I do post my video. And I do post videos weekly here, so I am so excited to bring you guys this review on the new Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. It is such a pretty palette. I created this look here with it. Seriously, it's like everything just came out so beautiful, so flawless. Stick around, continue watching. I'm not gonna tell you guys too much so you guys can see my full review on it. All right, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Yo, I am so excited for this palette, mainly because I love colorful eyeshadows. I love bold looks. I love trying out. Really, I don't shy away from trying out different, you know, makeup looks, different colors, because that's what I love. I don't know, that's what I gravitate towards. Of course, I love a neutral, natural beat. Don't get me wrong, those are always classy and timeless. However, that's what gets me excited when I see a palette with some beautiful, pigmented, bright colors. So when I saw this, I was like instantly in love, and this is how it looks. It feels awesome. Some of her other palettes are 42, so I don't know if that's what they're going to transition into for future palettes, for all of them to start being 45, but some of them right now are still $42. But for Anastasia, this is, I'll pay it. It's not expensive because you get 14 quality products. Okay, look at this, guys. Look at the colors. I'm so excited. Okay, so the 14 shadows that are include 8 ultra mattes, 4 metallics, and 2 duochromes. And palette's cruelty free, paraben free, gluten free, and dermatologist tested. This palette, I can't only just do one makeup look with this and that's it. So most likely I'm going to do a mini series of different looks of this palette. So probably about 3 different looks, including this one that you're seeing now, to show you guys how versatile it is, because you can do so many looks with this palette. So from the website, I'm just gonna read just a little of what they say about the palette. Like I said, it's 14 shades, mattes and metallics, from vibrant jewel tones to bright pops of color. This palette, they say, is an essential springtime color collection featuring classic neutrals and seasonal tones that are perfect for creating your ultimate vacation looks. And they say for applying, they say little goes a long way, which for Anastasia, I agree. Their shadows are pigmented. Of course, the palette, like usual, like their other palettes, it does come with the double-ended brush. Let me take it out of here for you to see it better. Okay, so this end will be like for your blending, and this to apply the shadows. Let's try, of course, the pink. I'm just gonna show you guys. I'm just gonna do like 2, not even 3 rubs. Wow. Ooh, this was just 2, guys. I'm curious about this Monte Carlo. It's like like a blush pink. 2 again. Wow. Even though I know Anastasia bring the quality and the pigments, I'm still pretty nicely surprised. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do the purple here, which is Cane's. Oh, wow, okay. That's why they say a lot goes a long way, because that 2 rub alone was just like a lot of product. You see how, like, yeah. All right, so let's get started. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to first go into Monte Carlo with it, which is that blush pink that I showed you guys. Ooh, can you guys see that? That's pretty pigmented. It's coming out exactly like how it's showing on the palette, so that's good. I personally don't care if there are fallouts on shadow palettes. I've come to expect that, so I just feel like it's, I mean, of course it'll be great if there are absolutely no fallout, but for me it's not a huge deal. The only time it's a big deal for fallouts is if it's just like excessive, where it's really all over your face. But if it's just a little bit here, that's fine. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and use another blending brush to get the nice bright pink we have in here. Bahamas, that's what it's called for the color. And we're going to place it right under the Monte Carlo, so the blush pink color. And I'm gonna just lean my head back a little bit so I can see better. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and switch this brush because I don't have a lot of clean brushes. But I need to find one that is shorter, because this is more of a blending brush to blend the color out than putting it on, because it's not really picking up that much product. Okay, so I'm using just pretty much the same thing, but just it's shorter, so it's able to pack on more product. There we go. I'm loving how the shadows are applying, and so far it's not, there's no fallout. I'm gonna zoom you guys in just so you can see my face. There's no fallout as of yet. On blending brush to blend that pink out. So there aren't any harsh lines, so it can blend nicely into the first color that we placed on the crease. I'm gonna take the deep plum purple, whatever you would like to call it, and apply it again in the crease. The only thing I'm noticing right now is that the purple, let me switch brushes, maybe that will help. The purple is not over here. Like, you see how it's not really covering up that pink? It's like that pink right there is overpowering it, because you can still see like a lightness right there. So I'm gonna switch my brush to see if that helps. still kind of like the same, but we'll move on because at the end of the day I'm gonna go ahead and carve out my lid, so it really won't matter actually. So maybe for this eye it probably is because my concealer was creasing a bit, so maybe that was affecting, because it was really starting to crease a lot on this one, and I am seeing some fall out, but again, that's nothing, that's fine. I actually, that's why again I love doing my foundation after, because you get to really clean it. I know some people, when they do their foundation before their shadows, they just put the powder to help catch the fallout, but yeah. So now I'm gonna go ahead and get into the seashells right here, that teal color, and I'm going to be putting multiple colors on my lid, so, but that's going to be the first one here. Oh my god. Oh man, that is looking beautiful. Wow. That pigment. Oh, baby. Please be, baby. You got what I need, baby. Oh. Oh, my eyes are about to look like cotton candy. I'm gonna do the rest of my face off camera, since today's mainly about this palette, and I will come back to finish the rest of my eye. I'm gonna go ahead and take the Bahamas pink, the Cane's purple, and I'm going to put those on my lash line. Thinking what lips I should put on. If I should do a purple. That's gonna be excessive if I do a purple. Maybe I should just do a nice little nude or clear gloss and call it a day. Okay, now for the pink. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Alright, so for highlight, I'm gonna use something from here, the Aurora. Look how pretty. I'm either gonna go with this nice blue or Spectra. I think Spectra. Oh, yes. Oh, that's pretty. See that? Yes, you do. This matches perfectly with this whole look. And Taurus, one of my favorites, but this is let's hop into it. So pretty. Go ahead and take MAC Naturally Transformed Nude. So now I'm gonna take my new Anastasia's lip gloss in Freya. And oh, bitch. Tried this the other day, but I didn't try it with any lipstick. So it's like really popping now that I have on lipstick. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Oh my goodness. Bish. This look is from another galaxy because look at it. Look. Just no words. I'll be back.